In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams while still being able to see the participants. This is a fantastic feature for educators, project managers, or anyone who needs to present information while keeping an eye on the audience's reactions and participation. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the sign in button and log in with your account. This step is crucial because you'll need access to your calendar and scheduled meetings from within Teams. After successfully logging in, your next move is to head over to the Calendar tab. It's here where all your scheduled meetings and events are neatly organized. This will help you find the specific meeting you're planning to present in without any hassle. Once you've located the meeting in your calendar, you'll see an option to join the meeting. Click on it. This action takes you closer to getting your presentation ready in front of your anticipated audience. Next, you'll see a screen with a Join Now button. Go ahead and click it. This action officially puts you in the meeting, ready to share your screen. Now for the part you've been waiting for, sharing your screen while still seeing your audience. Look for the View option within the meeting window. This is where the magic of customization happens. Within the View options, navigate and click on More Options. It's often represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol, reflecting additional actions you can take. Here's the key step. Select Show Gallery on right from the options presented. This action rearranges your screen. It makes the participants' gallery visible on the side of your presentation, allowing you to see everyone's face while sharing your screen. Why is this setup valuable? For starters, it maintains the personal connection and engagement you have with your audience. You can gauge reactions, answer questions, and adjust your presentation in real time based on the visual feedback you're seeing. It turns a simple presentation into an interactive session. Remember, keeping an eye on participants while presenting can significantly enhance the communication flow, making your session more effective and engaging for both parties involved. This technique is particularly useful in educational settings, team updates, project discussions, or any scenario where audience engagement is key. And that's it. You now know how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams without losing sight of your audience. This simple yet effective method ensures your presentations are engaging and interactive. Feel free to practice this setup before your actual presentation to get comfortable with the layout and options. Happy presenting!